This is what happens when you come to your auntie's house and she gives you the entire bottle of stars. As you can see, they are all over the floor. And then we tried picking them up, and Garrett decided that he wasn't having any of that, and he decided that he would then again dump it out again. So Mally eats one, tries to put one away, and then eats one and tries to put one away. So when she doesn't eat supper tonight, we'll know why, because Mr. Garrett threw them all over the floor. And now he's continuing to step on them and smush them into the carpet. So this is what happens when you go to Auntie's house. And she just doesn't care, because you can do whatever you want at Auntie's house. Lessons learned. Mally, can you say hi? See, there she's trying to put one away. See? We put one away, and then, oh, Garrett don't like that, so out it goes again. So this is the fun that happens at Auntie's house.